in Singapore, they mention to you that you are not stupid for being scammed. Anyone can be scammed because that is just the nature of it now. It has gotten so sophisticated. They learn your viewing habits. They have learned your liking habits, your sharing habits, your commenting habits. So they know you at a level that we will not even understand because it's all these computer figures. Kasi sa Philippines, we always say, na-scam ka kasi bobo ka. Which is like, for me, like the end of any conversation. When somebody says that, or because tita ka, is another one. Please, let's not hate on titas.
What do you mean by tita ka?
Tita kasi daw yung mga victim ng fake news sa sa Facebook. Nakaka-hurt.